everyone and welcome to another video. I am the Speaking Bear and today's phrase is in a pickle. So let's go through the definition. The definition is in a difficult situation. So in a pickle is basically when something bad is about to happen or if you're in a tough situation. The first example says, I forgot my wallet and now I'm in a pickle. So you went to the restaurant, so you offered to pay for your friends and your family, and you're looking and you find out that you forgot your wallet. And so you could go to your brother or your sister and say, hey, I forgot my wallet. I'm in a little pickle. Can you help me pay? So this phrase will explain to them that you're in a little bit of a situation, difficult time. The next example is, my flight leaves in an hour, but I lost my passport. I'm really in a pickle. So again, if you lose your passport, it's not a good thing, right? You're in a very difficult situation. So using this phrase is almost a metaphor to tell somebody that you're in a bad situation. So leaving your passport or losing your passport is very bad. And so this phrase kind of helps you or helps other people understand that you're in a difficult situation. And the last example is at a school and it says, I forgot my homework at home and the teacher's collecting it now. I'm in a pickle. Now, pickle is something that we eat, right? But again, it's a metaphor, right? We're in a pickle. So when you're speaking, try to practice these phrases in your vocabulary. So when you find yourself in a situation, I forgot my wallet, now I'm in a little pickle. Please don't ever forget your passport, but if you do forget your passport, you could also use this phrase in that sense, right? So my flight leaves in an hour and I lost my passport. I'm really in a pickle. This means that you're really in a bad situation. So if you like these videos, like, comment, and share, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.